Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rhoda and I post videos every week about home, DIY, thrift, plants and everything nice. Basically, I love to share everything that I enjoy doing because what makes you feel alive gives meaning to your life. Yeah, so I share everything that I enjoy doing. And I love to teach as much as I love to learn. Yeah, so please feel free to watch this video and all the other videos that I have on my channel because trust me, it's great content. Yeah, and there's more coming. If you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for clicking, and I don't take that for granted. And without any further ado, let's jump right into today's video, and I'm going to be showing you how to make this planter out of cement and old jeans. Yeah, so I hope you get to, yeah, that's how it looks. So I hope you get to watch the video till the end, and please leave a like, a comment down below. Please feel free to hit the subscribe button if you're not already, and I'd love to have you join my growing family. Yeah, so until the next video,